Habang nagla-live kami ni Boss yung mga guys, di ko alam mga guys na naprank niya pala ako. Kaya tingnan maigi.
Every night you cry yourself to sleep, thinking why does this happen to me? Why does every moment have to be so hard? Hard to believe that it's not over tonight. Just give me one more chance to make it right.
Tuloy mo yan.
I'll make it through
Ginusto mo yan eh.
without you.
Baka alis dyan ah.
Huwag kalimutan mag-like and share sa aking mga video mga guys. At mag-subscribe, follow din ako mga guys sa akong Facebook page, Renyo Sital. Thanks for watching.